Hi guys, we received this HYCHIKA cordless, well, wet and dry vacuum cleaner for various purposes, and I'm gonna take it out of here. Here it is. It's actually very big. Here in this part you connect a battery. Comes with this tube stretch, so it's really nice. And let's open it. Okay, here is the filter. Here, now it's in place. And here are the instructions. Okay, I'm going to take them out. Okay, this is the sponge filter, so you can use it with wets to get wet things. To just change the filter and put this one on, which is nice. Here comes some wheels, you can put it on them. A nozzle, which is really nice. Okay. Here is the battery. Yeah. Here it is. The battery. You can check how much power it has by pressing this button. It's almost full. Also here are the battery charger, which is really nice. Okay. And in here, it's another nozzle to use. It's nice. This you can turn it and put it in here. To use it also like a blower, which I mean it's nice that it gives you all these different options to use it. I'm gonna place it in here. I'm gonna put the wheels on. Okay, so I've already got everything ready. I have here the vacuum, so I'm gonna use it here in my car because I actually need it a lot. Okay, so we'll turn it on. When you finish vacuuming, you can return all the pieces to its place. Like this. Open it and take out all the dirt and trash that it got. Okay. So it's a really nice vacuum that you can use in your car, in your studio, anywhere you need it, and it's very practical because it's cordless, it's used as a battery, and you can use it to vacuum water also. So it's really nice. It has a vacuum capacity of 4 gallons, which is really perfect, and it's easy to carry. So I will really recommend this vacuum. See ya.